Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome in this lesson. So in this lesson we have many knowledge about files. So introduce to file. So the first of all, I will create a new file. The file is emps data dot text. emps-data.txt. So what's the data inside this file? The data inside this file about employees: name, phone number, date, salary. So this data about this file. So we want to work with this file, change it, read, write, and another functions. So let's dive in. So how to open this file? Use open function. So f variable is equal open and write the name of file. employees emps underscore data dot txt. Now if I print f and run this code, enter, nothing. Okay, now I want to read this code. Now I open it, this code, this file, and want to read this code. So read is equal f dot read. Now I want to print. I will print read variable. Now let me run again. Okay, Python l.py. Okay, read all the data in this file. So I want to read line by line. So how to read line by line? This read all the data. I want to read line by line. Read line. I will change name. Okay. Read line. Read line. Read lines. Read line and read lines is the difference. This function. The read line read just the first line. Read lines read all the lines line by line. Okay, let me show you. Python l.py. Look at this, just the first line. Let me check. The first line is Muhammad Ahmed. Phone number is like phone number. 10th October. Okay, 12,000 salaries. Okay. Lines, let me check. Print all the data in the array. So now I want to print all this data. How to print all this data? So this data in the list. So I will use for loop for employee and read. Okay, and the read. So now I will print employee. I print employee and l.py. Look at this. Print all the data line by line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the data. So I want to split the data because I don't want this dash. Okay, so emp is equal employee dot strip remove the spaces and the ends and starts, so without strip, without the spaces, and split with dash. Now if I print the emp, let me check, python l.py, look at this, data without any dash. Now I want to make something. I want change the salary. I want to double the salary. How to make it? Salary is equal float emp -1. Why is -1? The index is -1 because the salary is the last data and the last index inside the list. Double 2. Now I want to print what? Use f string. I will print name emp 0 and phone number emp 1, date emp 2, salary, print salary. Now I will then I will close this file. I open it now, and then I want to close it. How to close it? f.close. Run python l.py. Okay, I have a problem. Float emp. Okay, this I have syntax error. Now, okay, everything is good. No, I think okay. The last 10,000 Yara. So what's wrong? I have the problem. Why the salary don't double it? Okay, guys, I solved the problem. So the problem was I print every employee, so I don't need this code. So now if I run the code, look at this, all data is good. So now I have another thing. So I don't need to close this code, this file. So I can use another way to solve this code. So how to solve this code? Look at this. I will comment this code. Look, right, with open and write the name of file, emps.file, as anything. Okay, read line, read is equal like this. I will copy this code, paste it, and loop. Okay, loop inside this code. I will make a copy for this code and paste it. Okay, paste it. Now I will run this code, python.l.py. Why? Because open with open is to open and close. So I don't need a close when I finish operator with the file without close. So close it automatically. So I have another thing. So now I want to write. I'm just read the file and print it. Look at this. Yara Omar, phone number. The salary is 1000. So I didn't change the data in the main file. How to change it? So with the open MPs as F, so I will make another thing. Look at this. With open, write the name of the new file. So if I have the file, just write the name of file. If I don't have the file, I just write name it. emps new data.text and write the W letter for the right as F. So now I open it to write. I open it to write. How to write inside this in this code? So employee data. So just write f.write f.write. Write anything. Welcome. Run this code, python l.py. Now, okay, look at this, create this file, write welcome. So I have another thing. I will open this code, open this file, I open it. Now I want to read inside the EMPS data. So, okay, delete this code. I open it to read, and then open a new write as F. So, okay, run. Paste this code, and then I don't want to print. Use f dot write. Now f dot write. If I run this code, python l.py, look at this. Okay. L data is changed. Okay, look at this. L data is changed, but I don't want this code in the Y line, one line. So just put \n and run again. Name and L the data inside the new file. And then I want to say goodbye.